Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going straight to the settings now. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Touch. Once there, scroll down and tap Back Tap to reveal double tap and triple tap options. You want to find whichever gesture currently triggers the flashlight. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later and that back tap is visible. Otherwise, you won't see these options. This is the first actionable step, because disabling the assignment is the only reliable method to. Once you've opened the back tap screen, tap the gesture that's set to flashlight, usually double tap or triple tap. Choose none to remove any action, or pick a different shortcut if you prefer. This change immediately clears the flashlight assignment. You don't need to save or restart. Make sure to check both gestures so one isn't still set to flashlight. Remember, selecting none ensures accidental taps won't trigger the torch, which is why this is effectively the only consistent fix. Now test the gesture by tapping the back of your phone the same way you used to. The flashlight should no longer activate. If it still does, restart the iPhone, confirm iOS is up to date, and recheck back tap settings. If problems persist, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Reset all settings. This preserves data but restores system defaults. As a troubleshooting tip, if none of that works, reach out to Apple support. Persistent behavior might indicate a software bug or rare hardware sensor issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.